Morning all, this is Jay Parmar from ZSEC. Today I am going to give you certain introduction related to the Python, which is a programming language. So Python is an emerging programming language which is nowadays used in every field, every corner of IT industry particularly. So Python is basically object-oriented programming language. So all the concepts of object-oriented programming languages are supported nowadays by Python. Some of the object-oriented programming languages are class, object, inheritance, data hiding, data binding, encapsulation, polymorphism, and so many concepts are also there. Data binding, encapsulation, and polymorphism. These are the concepts of any of the object-oriented programming language. So all the characteristics of object-oriented programming languages are there inside Python. Plus Python have its own characteristics, like it can be used in other fields like website development, then desktop application, particularly software, I can say website, that is a web-based application, and particularly Django framework is there, which is supported by Python, and that also you can install inside your system. So normally to install Python, there is a website called python.org from where you can download this Python. Once you download that Python, it will be installed inside particular drive. You can select the drive where you want to install that Python. Once you install the Python, just to open this Python, click on Start and then select Python, and you will be getting a screen of Python. Two types of screens are there, like a DOS screen, that is pure DOS based applications, and a normal, that is for desktop, that is application from where you can write the program. A simple example I am giving you: when you open this Python, so at that time these three prompts are normally given. This prompt indicates what? It says that your Python is ready to accept the command, and normally we are giving the commands, and based on the commands appropriate actions will be carried out by the Python. So simple program, say if I want to print something on screen, then there is a concept called print, that is a command, and then inside bracket you need to write the statement that you would like to print when you execute this Python script. Normally the Python program has an extension .py, so that you can give as an extension to this Python program. Once you save this file, there is no compilation. When you compile or run the programs of Python directly, it shows the outcome, that is the output. So if your program does not contain any error message, so directly Python will give you the outcome of the program, and when you run that program, the output will be displayed onto the monitor screen. So several examples of Python, like where we can use this Python. So that is an AI, that is artificial intelligence, then ML, that is machine learning, and particularly nowadays in stock market also, stock market predictions, Python can be used nowadays. You can use this Python program for stock market prediction. So these are some of the usefulness of Python where we can use Python. So this is just an introduction. For more updates on this Python, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.